What's up everyone, welcome back to CryptoZone. My name is Purian Nick, and if you are new to the channel or you're watching this video for the first time, thank you very much to subscribing and making sure you're hitting the notification bell, because CryptoZone have a campaign with Bitunix and we have a 500 USDT giveaway to 16 lucky winner. So maybe you are the one of the winner. Make sure you subscribe into CryptoZone. On this video, I want to talk about the Bitcoin, Ethereum and Solana for a key support and a resistance for a higher and lower time frame. So let's get started. On the previous video, I'm already mentioned if we see the Bitcoin break above the 95k, it definitely can come and retest this resistance. And we can see already Bitcoin come to this resistance around 104k, and we can see right now the weekly candle closing below this resistance. And for the first time, definitely we can see some sales around this area and still have a support around 100,000, but you can see the cross on the MACD at the same time. We can see the green histogram again, and we are higher than a baseline, and this is so bullish for the Bitcoin. Maybe on the lower time frame we can come and retest in the lower support again around 100,000. But on the higher time frame, as soon as the Bitcoin hold above the 95,000, this rally can be continue. If we see the Bitcoin even on the daily time frame close above the 105k and hold above this resistance, definitely this rally can be continue. But on the bearish side, here we have a strong resistance, and maybe we can see some sales around here, and I'm not going to be surprising maybe on the lower time frame even we coming back and retest this support again, and we are spending a little bit time around this area. But if we see the Bitcoin break above the 105k, definitely this rally can be continued. Bitcoin on the daily time frame, as we can see right now clearly, we don't see any candle close above the 105k, and we can see 3 days we already try to break above, but we can't see any candle closing above the 104k. And as soon as we are below this resistance, it still can come and retest the 97,300, and what I mentioned is still 94,000, 95,000 is a major support. If Bitcoin reject from here, this box is still valid, and we can see the low band of the BB also is standing around $90,000. I'm not saying right now I'm bearish market can come down. I'm still holding my position, and if Bitcoin break above the 105k, I'm going to be adding to my position. But what I can see on daily time frame, look like Bitcoin want to try in the lower support before breaking this resistance. Ethereum on the weekly time frame finally break above the 1,900. I already mentioned about this resistance. If we see the Ethereum break above the 1,900, we can see the rising price to 2,500, even to $3,000 right now. Ethereum, such a nice pump, and it's still possible to see the Ethereum on the weekly time frame break above the 2,500. And if we see the Ethereum break above the 2,500, yes, definitely we can come and retest in this green box between the 2,800 and the top around 3k. And the other side, if we get some sales or reject from here, still we have a support around 2,300, and we can see the mid band of the BB also on the weekly time frame is standing around 2,400. But right now opening and closing candle higher than the mid band, and if we see the Ethereum break above the 2,500, I'm more bullish than a bearish, and I can targeting the 3k for Ethereum for a next move. After a long time dump and sideways action for Ethereum, such a nice pump for Ethereum, and I'm looking for Ethereum to break above the 2,500, then we can retest in the $3,000 again. I'm still holding my both position for Bitunix and Bybit. If you still doesn't have a Bybit account and you don't have a problem with the verification, you can claim up to 30,000 from the Bybit. And if you have a problem with the KYC and you're looking for a new exchange, we have a nice campaign on Bitunix Exchange right now. I have a 500 USDT giveaway to 16 lucky winner. If you still doesn't have a Bybit or Bitunix account, link in description and pin on the comment. Ethereum on the daily time frame, as we can see, we already break above the 2500 and we already come in and retested, and we already on the top band. If we see the Ethereum back again to around 2500 or 2600 and even hold above the 2500, this week maybe easily we can retest the 2800 or $3000. But if we see the daily candle closing like this, I'm not going to be surprising to see the Ethereum to come and retest the lower support around 2300 or 2350. And if we be back in again to this area and hold it, yes, this is still can be continue. Otherwise, we have a lower support still around $2000. Such a nice move for Solana. We already call it, and I'm already mentioned, as soon as the Solana hold above the $146, definitely we can come and retest the 168, or even we can come and retest in the 184. And we can see Solana already come and retest $181 and multiple time come back to this support. And as soon as Solana holding this support above the 168, can be ping pong between this support and the resistance. If we see the Solana break above the 184, definitely $200 and maybe 230, or maybe we back again to all-time high around $263 for Solana. But right now, nearest support is still around 108. And if we be breaking below, still we have a support around 164. And if we be breaking below 164, still we have a support around 155, and we can see the mid band around this area. But as soon as the Solana holding above this box, I created the new box here. As soon as the Solana hold above this box, definitely can be continue. And if we see the Solana break above the 186, yes, $200 for Solana. So this is all about today, my friend. Hope this video is helping you. Don't forget to like and subscribe and make a notification bell, because next video is about the Bitunix, and we have a 500 USDT giveaway for 16 lucky winner. So maybe you are the one of the winner. All the best for you, and see you on the next video.